Have you ever wondered how your computer knows who can open a specific document, change a photo, or even run a program? It is like having a digital doorman for every file and folder, making sure only the right people with the right keys can access them. At its core, read, write, and execute permissions are the fundamental rules your operating system uses to control access to files and directories. They define precisely what actions users and programs are allowed to perform. This system is crucial for maintaining security and ensuring the stability of your computer. The why behind these permissions is all about control and protection. The read permission allows you to view the contents of a file or list the contents of a folder. It is like being able to look at a book without marking in it. The write permission grants you the ability to modify, renames, or delete a file, or to create new files within a folder. This is akin to being able to write in that book or add new ones to a shelf. Lastly, the execute permission lets you run a program or script, or enter a directory and access its contents. Think of it as having the authority to open a locked door and walk into a room. These distinct permissions ensure that critical system files remain untouched, your personal documents stay private, and applications only do what they are supposed to do. Understanding these permissions is important because they form the bedrock of your operating system's security model. Operating systems assign these permissions to different entities: the file's owner, a specific group of users, and everyone else. This hierarchy ensures a granular level of control, preventing unauthorized access or accidental changes to important data. For instance, a system administrator might have full read, write, and execute access to configuration files, while a regular user might only have read access to prevent them from inadvertently breaking the system. In practice, you will often encounter these permissions when working with shared files on a network, installing new software, or troubleshooting certain application issues. While many operating systems offer a graphical interface to view and modify these permissions, allowing you to right-click on a file or folder and check its properties, advanced users might interact with them directly through command line tools. Knowing what each permission means helps you confidently manage your digital environment, whether you are trying to share a document with a colleague or secure your personal data. This system is not just about keeping things private. It also embodies the principle of least privilege. This means that users and programs should only have the minimum necessary permissions to perform their tasks. For example, a web server should have read access to web page files but not write access, protecting your website from malicious modifications. By understanding and properly setting these permissions, you gain peace of mind, knowing your data is protected and your system is running as intended, free from unwanted alterations or executions.